I want to tell you about Stan. Now, Stan called me up one day and said, Doc, I've been depressed for years. And I went to another ketamine clinic in town here, and, I got 6 infusions in 2 weeks. And then, I was still depressed. And so they said, well, you need boosters. So I came and I got, another 4 infusions over 2-3 weeks. And Doc, I didn't feel any better. So I kind of gave up on this whole ketamine thing. But then I saw, some of what you were talking about what ketamine does to the brain. And I got kind of intrigued. So Stan says to me, Doc, I kind of want to come in and give this another try. And I said, that sounds great. So Stan came into our clinic and he got 1 infusion. And then we waited for a week. And he came in and he got a 2nd infusion. And we waited a week. And we were watching his depression, using our depression scales. And he'd fill them out every time he came in. And there was a little stair step up. So we waited another couple of weeks and we had him come in and get a 3rd infusion. And then his depression got a lot better. And the secret was that we allowed neuroplasticity to have a chance to work. You can't rush it. You can't just flood the brain with ketamine in 6 infusions in 2 weeks and hope for the best. You had to, number one, give the brain time to respond. Axons grow a millimeter a day. Neuroplasticity does not happen overnight.